5:43?
Oh God. We got 10 billion minutes of time these. Ah! The 10! I'm 10 years old! A blue man!
What?
I saw a painting of a blue man.
You saw a painting of a blue man?
A bunch of ladies got turned into fake ladies! What are you talking about, mannequins? No, they're fictional. Why is everything named after men? Mannequins? Like Mario Kart!
He's Sophie.
Why is it named after Mario?
Sophie.
Huh?
When you were like 3 or 4, you got mad at this song because you thought that she didn't want any Christmas presents.
What did you think? What did she think?
Because she says, all I want for Christmas is you. You got mad at her because she didn't want any Christmas presents.
Ah! I hate people who don't like me! I'll kill them if they don't want Christmas presents. That's a fart. I farted. I'm about to throw up. Ah!
Like I said,
That's the biggest Christmas
if you throw up in the car, you have to clean it up yourself.
There's also wool, like when you're saying women, it says wool men. Woomikins!
Woomikins.
Manakins! Men! Wolfakins! Boobiakins!
Oh, Lord.
Those are naked mannequins. Cubikins. You know they actually have naked mannequins? Ah! All mannequins are naked till you put clothes on them.
That is how that works.
And they look weird. I've seen a naked mannequin. Ah!
You're screaming.
It's just weird. Oh, and you have too. Ah! No, I'm screaming because there's Alec, look! Mommy's taking a video of us.
Mm-hmm.
Or is that just camera to
No,
watch
that's a
us?
video.
Mm-hmm. Burp.
Mhm.
You're dead! Give me that phone so I can throw it into the road. Let's do it again. Do it again.
This is what I have
You
to
yelled
do.
into my booty. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. The wrong hole.
Y'all got that out of your system?
The winner who out. My tooting can spread all over the world. But I farted again. Hey!
Yep.
Why are those kids not frozen into statues?
I don't know. Maybe they were screaming in the car too loud, so their mom made them walk and they froze.
That is just
That might,
I'm gonna break that statue and
that
put
might,
that
that might be what happened.
Throw and put that Molly back in the road.
Well,
That will get ran over.
that's not your turn. Okay, you need to stop. It's not your turn.
Yeah!
All right, y'all, scream YOLO.
I saw a report card in the tree. What? I'm not lying. What? Mommy saw a yellow report card in a tree back there. I love you. Oh! I'll say you are burped.
Richmond's Christmas station is counting down to the big day.
There, let's burp at the same time. 3, 2, 1. That was fake. I already burped. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Why are y'all so gross?
I burped before. I'm not gross. I am so pissy.